Hi everyone, welcome to Slimming Antidote. Today, we will be going through some of the best and quickest slimming recipes to help you slim down and lose belly fat within 2 weeks while also boosting your immune system to fight any infection, including COVID-19. Make sure to watch until the end to get the full understanding and guide on how to make and apply these recipes to better use for effective quick results. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so we can assist you with antidotes regularly. Now let's get right into the video. The ingredients are fresh ginger, fresh garlic, apple cider vinegar, and green tea bag. Scrape the ginger with a knife and dice in a bowl. Peel the garlic, and dice the garlic on a chopping board. When done, cut the lemon into half, and use a squeezer to get the juice out. Pour the lemon juice into a blender. Add the garlic and ginger in the blender and blend until it is smooth. Then get a clean container with a cover and pour all the content from the blender into the container. Cover and keep in the refrigerator. Day 1. Boil water in the kettle. Get a mug cup, add 1 bag of green tea, pour hot water into the mug, allow to simmer, and remove the bag. Then add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and then add 2 tablespoons of the blended mix of garlic, ginger and lemon into the mug. Stir and drink in an empty stomach first thing in the morning, another cup at lunchtime, and take another last thing before bed. During the 2 weeks, cut down on carbohydrate and fatty foods. Try to incorporate fish, chicken without the skin, prawns, vegetables and fruits into your meal. You can eat your normal meal but reduce your portion and drink lots of water. You will be amazed with the result within the first week. In 2015, a study published in the International Journal of Obesity declared that the high-protein diet was the most effective of the weight loss diets tested. The conclusion is that increasing your protein intake, while decreasing your carbohydrate intake slightly and focusing on higher quality carbohydrates, such as whole grains and fruit, can help you lose weight and keep it off. That's where this deliciously light Thai beef salad recipe from famous Food Network chef Ellie Krieger comes in, with its emphasis on freshness and flavor, with lime juice, ginger, basil, and cilantro as the main flavors, and after the meat has marinated, it may be assembled in less than 30 minutes. According to a research published in the Annals of Internal Medicine in 2015, forget about elaborate, pricey diet plans, which aren't effective anyway, and instead concentrate on fiber. According to the findings, implementing just one dietary change aiming to consume 30 grams of fiber per day can aid in weight loss, blood pressure reduction, and an improvement in the body's reaction to insulin. Make a quick dinner of rice and beans, which will supply you with a bowl full of plant-based protein, 20 to 25 grams, and fiber in a short amount of time, about 15 grams. You don't have to eat beans and rice to be satisfied. Make this simple and tasty 30-minute island-inspired coconut rice and beans recipe from Epicurious, which uses light coconut milk for a subtle coconut flavor. Even though you already know that green tea is beneficial to your health due to the abundance of antioxidants it contains, a meta-analysis of 11 studies published in the International Journal of Obesity in 2009 found that the combination of caffeine and the free radical-fighting catechin EGCG found in green tea may help people lose weight. Recent research has been conflicting, with some indicating that any weight loss resulting from green tea would be small. However, anyone who wishes to lose weight understands that every little bit helps. Instead of drinking green tea straight, try this creamy low-carb green tea smoothie prepared with matcha from Better by Design Nutrition, which is a refreshing alternative to the traditional beverage. Eating soup is one of the most straightforward and painless methods of losing weight and shedding tummy fat. Individuals who ate soup before ingesting a lunch entree consumed 20% less calories overall than those who did not have soup. The findings of one study published in the journal Appetite in 2007 confirmed this finding. Including veggies and protein in your soup will also help you feel filled for longer periods of time, resulting in reduced hunger later on. A massive 12.5 grams of protein per serving is provided by this kitchen recipe for weight loss red lentil soup, which can be prepared in just 25 minutes. Toss in a teaspoon or 2 of fresh, grated ginger with the onion and a dash of cayenne pepper for a spicy kick to round out the flavor. Remember to stock up on these protein-rich diet foods for weight reduction when you're at the grocery store next time you're there. Whether you dunk it, drizzle it, or slather it, Greek tzatziki is a delicious treat no matter how you prepare it. This unusual sauce, which is made with only Greek yogurt, cucumbers, garlic, and herbs, can change grilled fish and meat, basic crudité, or a veggie and lentil-filled pita into a delicious and filling supper in minutes. We really like this tzatziki recipe from the Food Network, which includes lemon zest and dill. In addition, according to a review of research published in the International Journal of Obesity in 2015, yogurt can be a crucial component of any successful diet. A lower body mass index, a lower body weight, a smaller waist circumference, and a lower body fat percentage were found to be connected with yogurt eating. According to the researchers, while many experts refer to the yogurt's high protein content, approximately 18 grams per serving, for its ability to keep you feeling full and pleased, the active cultures in the yogurt may also help you lose weight by balancing your gut bacteria. Quinoa, how do I feel about thee? Allow me to list some examples. Because you contain nearly twice the protein of brown rice, you make everything else in the bowl taste better. And because you have so much protein and fiber, as well as complex carbs and a little dosage of healthy fats, you help to keep my blood sugar levels stable as well. Even better, you can prepare quinoa in less time than it takes to make a batch of rice. Quinoa is done in about 15 minutes. Make this farmer's market quinoa salad from Epicurious, which also includes green beans, snap peas, broccoli, and pistachios, all dressed in a Dijon vinaigrette, for a simple weight loss recipe. The tiny super seeds chia and flax are nutritional powerhouses. Despite their small size, they are both high in omega-3, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, and omega-6 fatty acids, as well as protein, fiber, flavonoids, and a variety of vitamins and minerals, not to mention delicious flavor and crunch. Omega-3 fatty acids are particularly important for heart health. In a study conducted by the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health, researchers discovered that chia seeds can increase a person's sense of fullness while simultaneously decreasing appetite, as well as have positive effects on cardiovascular health. The combination of dates, sunflower and hemp seeds, and nuts in the ultimate homemade granola bar is a delicious way to enjoy them. Check out Minimalist Baker's Super Seedy Granola Bars, which are simple to make. Do not forget about these other weight loss methods that require no physical activity. According to a review of research published in The Lancet in 2019, increasing your intake of fiber-rich foods, such as vegetables, is one of the most effective ways to lose weight. In addition, it will help you live a longer life. Make an easy Chinese stir-fried vegetable rice with cauliflower rice as the base to get more fiber into your diet. You can use pre-made or homemade cauliflower rice for this recipe. We're obsessed with this 15-minute fried cauliflower rice recipe from Pinch of Yum, which is made with only 4 ingredients and provides protein in the form of eggs and tofu. You can substitute white beans or chickpeas if you're allergic to eggs or soy. Follow the weight loss recipe exactly as written, or substitute seasonal vegetables and herbs from your refrigerator's crisper. It's the stuff that weight loss fantasies are made of. Pure protein marinated in a spicy yogurt sauce to keep it tender and juicy while you lose weight. Skewering lean chicken or steak tenders is a quick and easy way to prepare nutritious food in a short amount of time. On the Bon Appetit website, you'll find a recipe for spicy chicken kebabs from cookbook author Stephen Rachland that requires an overnight marinade, but the actual cooking time is only about 15 minutes. You'll forget you're on a diet when you're eating delicious weight loss recipes like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video on how to break down body fat and slim down in 10 days with natural fruits. Thanks for watching, and God bless.